This here is my grandfather's old Snap-on 6M70M quarter-inch drive ratchet, and it still ratchets pretty good. Have to lube it up every now and then, but I wanted to show you guys the inside of this old tool because it needs to be lubricated. Hopefully I can get it apart. All right, there's really not much to report inside of this ratchet. It's got the anvil, the gear, and the little ratcheting mechanism which sits down here in the handle. Got a little ball bearing down inside of there. Flops back over. So I'm just going to clean this thing out with a little brake clean. Put a little more durable grease in there and put her back together. A little bit of spray white lithium grease. Good for another couple of years.